D, we will have fx being equal to 2x minus 7 to the power of minus 1 multiplying x plus 5. What are we then going to have? Well, we'll just get, let's do it here. We can use the product rule. We can say here that let u be equal to 2x minus 7 to the power of negative 1. And we would have v be equal to x plus 5. Or if you want to stay with the quotient rule, which we have been doing right now, something when it's to the negative 1, we can just say it is going to be equal to f of x is going to be equal to 1 over 2x minus 7. It's now to the positive 1. That's what it means. And it's multiplying x plus 5. Okay? And we know that x plus 5 is the whole thing, so it just goes to the top. You have x plus 5 over 2x minus 7. This is going to be your f of x. Now, once you have it like this, you can call this your u, you can call this your v. This is your high, and this is your low. Remember that. Don't forget that. So now you can say let u be equal to the high, x plus 5, and v is going to be equal to 2x minus 7. U prime is equal to the derivative of x is 1. Then v prime is the derivative of 2x is 2. So now in the derivative of negative 7 is 0, the derivative of 5 is 0 again. So we can now say f prime of x, which is the derivative, is equal to low, which is v, d high, u prime, minus high, u, d low, v prime, over square the bottom, v squared, which is going to be v, 2x minus 7, multiplying u prime 1, minus, open bracket, high, which is 2x plus 5, d low, which is the derivative of the bottom, which is 2, o over square the bottom, which is we go to 2x minus 7, and it's o squared. This is going to be equal to 1 is multiplying 2x minus 7, you get 2x minus 7, minus, we have a big bracket, 2 is multiplying 2x plus 5. So you say 2 times 2x, you get 4x, 2 times 5, you get 10. So it's like this, and it's o over 2x minus 7, o squared. What are we going to get? We'll get 2x minus 7, then minus 4x, then this was a 4x plus 10. So it's going to be then minus 10, and it's all over, because the negative affect 4x, it becomes negative 4x. Negative of 10 becomes negative 10, whereas 2x minus 7 all squared. Now, we'll get what? What will we get? We will end up having, please don't ever try to cancel 2x minus 7 in this, no, because you didn't factor it out. It has to be there on both. Now, 2x minus 4x becomes, you say 2 minus 4, you get negative 2 of what? Of x. Then you say minus 7 minus 10, you punch in the calculator, you should get negative 17. And it's going to be o over 2x minus 7 o squared. Okay? And this will be our final solution potentially. We could have it like that. Or you could bring the negative outside, and you would have, if you bring the negative, you can first bring it out, you would have positive 2x plus 17 o over 2x minus 7 o squared. Then you put the negative outside of the fraction, negative of 2x plus 17 over 2x minus 7 o squared. This is going to be your final solution, okay? If you bring out the negative, it just comes out from the top, and you can drop it on the side here, okay? Even if it was in the denominator, you can drop it on the side. This is what happens, and this is your final solution, and you'd be done. These are our solution. We can go on to the next one. Goodbye for now. We do part E next.